Alright, I just want to get this out there and make this perfectly clear. The audio in this video does this horn no justice whatsoever. It is, without exaggerating, ear-piercingly loud. And it's not as high pitch as it sounds in the video. It's got a much more bassy sound to it. I don't know why the video doesn't pick that up, but when you sound this horn in this garage, it makes your eardrum hurt. It's like a piercing, horrible noise. So it's a damn loud horn. Don't let the way it sounds in this video sway you from it. I would if you want something loud that's gonna piss the person off in front of you when they're fucking around on their phone and should be driving, this is the horn to get. Or if you want to spend the $700, buy a Horn Blaster's horn, you'll blow their trunk lid open. Alright, watch the video, or don't watch it, I don't care. See you later. Tonight, we will be installing the Wolo Sonic Blast horn. And why this one? I've put on, I don't know how many different types of aftermarket horns on vehicles, including the Horn Blaster's horns. I put one of those on the guy's truck. But I had to put one of these on a forklift today at work, and it is by far the loudest 12-volt horn I've ever installed. And this one I like because it even says right here, it will fit any 12-volt vehicle. You don't have to put in any relays, you don't have to add an extra fuse, you can wire it directly into your original horn circuit. And that's huge, because every vehicle I've ever put these on, you have to put in a relay and a fuse. It's not complicated, but for somebody who doesn't have any clue on how to do it, it does get complicated. So let's get started. Here's what the truck sounds like with the factory horn. Not bad, but it needs something more. Alright, to get the grill off, first you're going to remove all the fasteners off the top. There's 4 10mm bolts. They have a Phillips head slot in them, but I'd rather use a 10mm on them. There's 2 push pins, one at each end. Take a small screwdriver, stick under there, pry it up, or pull out your trusty pocket knife, pry it up, it will pop right out. Once you get it out, set it off to the side somewhere, don't lose it. We'll do the same thing to the other one on this side. And then that one broke. That's typical, it's a plastic piece of crap, but it'll still work. Comes out way easier now. And move on to your 10mm. You can see these plastic white dowels. The hood kind of sets over those, so you can't just yank on it. You want to lift it slightly. Oh, there we go. And then, so if you look directly in line with your headlight, right here, imagine a line going straight through right there. Come down here, right here, straight through. Then the same thing on the other side. Come down, straight through right there. There are tabs. You have to reach down inside and push down on them, and this will pull out. I don't know if I'll be able to show that very well, but I'm going to do my best. Stay tuned. Alright, there's your headlight. But you can see the plug for your driving, or not driving light, but turn signal right there. Come over, move all that rubber flapping, and that's the tab right there. I'm pointing at it with my extension. That's what you want to push. Push down on that tab right there. That's the best view I can get you. So since my fat ass leaned on this, I pushed it back over the pin. So we'll repop that. And then I'm going to stick my hand down in here. And right here I'm going to pull. Alright. There is a push pin down here. I don't want to call it a push pin. It's just like an insert. That you're gonna fight it a little bit to pull it out, but it will pull out. Alright, that tab is out. Now what I'm pulling on is that push pin. Let's go to the other side and have a good look. Let's see if I can't show you me pushing on that pin. There's going to be no way to fit a flashlight, my fat fingers, and whatever else in there. So you'll just have to trust me. And this one, the goddamn washer bottle's in the way. So I'm pushing on that tab right now. That tab is out past. Now I'm just fighting that pin. And then we're out. Did it break? No. Holy shit, I didn't break anything. Now chalk that up, boys. And then you just toss this some. How do you think I was going to hit you with that? You want to fight, huh? You want some of this? Apparently you don't like the grill. And there's your horns. So they have a factory plug on them. Unplug them. Oh, you don't like the grill? Is that thing scaring you? So you weigh 150 pounds. You can kick its ass. Go get it. Go on. Get it. Yeah, good boy. Alright. Those are 13 millimeters. But let's get them unplugged. Unplug it. Get them, Cujo. It's unplugged. I'm going to whack these off and splice them. Let me get a 13 millimeter. They're 12. I was 1 millimeter off. Yeah. All these Tundras come with a killer tool shelf right there. That's pretty exciting shit. Sell these on eBay, Craigslist, or what is it? Facebook Marketplace. Holy balls! All right, let's crack this horn open. My knife is exceptionally dull. Comes with some hardware, which these are going to be your grounds. So how you're going to do these, you're going to take your new horns, and it doesn't matter on here where you put the ground. This is just like a light switch. It doesn't care. As long as it gets a ground and a power, it'll do its deal. Put your rubber on correctly. There we go. Man, it's hot in this garage today. Ooh, I'm sweating. See how that goes there? Right like so. Next, what did I put that on? I put that one on the top one, so we'll do the same thing here. Make sure they're straight. You want them to be aesthetically pleasing also. That's straight enough, I don't give a shit. Okay. So let's take a good look inside of this plug. You see what I see? All that is a fancy version of that. So watch this. Oh. And it's done. That took, I don't know, if I wasn't videoing, it would have taken 5 minutes. Man, I'm happier than a pig in shit. Let's try it. The easiest horn installation you will ever do. Aftermarket horn installation. Alright, after you get your horn on, you're going to want to put your grill back on. If not, that would just be weird. So it's the exact opposite. Why do you have to lay right there? I'm going to step on your tail, you're going to yell, people are going to think I beat you. It'll be a whole thing. Holy shit. Alright. Get your tabs lined up. It's really difficult to do when your dog won't get out of your way. Get everything picked up to where it's supposed to be, right? Picked up correctly. Drop your flashlight down in Never Never Land. Okay. Right like so. You can actually see, you can look right here and see the tab. And then you're in. I'm going to push back down over their little dowels there. And you take your push pins, the broken one too. Actually, I have these somewhere in this garage, I just don't feel like looking for them. Hey, that one's broke too. Huh. Alright. I must have broke that one when I've changed the headlights. And then to change the headlights, you have to go through all this shit too, and you got to take half the truck apart. I'll do a video on the next time I change my headlights. You got to swap over from the 12mm to the 10mm because you can ratchet for a long time. And this will not get any tighter. Okay, there we go. Alright, there it is, completely done. Grill's back on, and on a scale from 1 to 10, this is a 3 beer job. Don't let your meat loaf.